I'm just here in my garage. Just got this brand new Ferrari. It's fun to drive around here in Oceanside. But you know what I like a lot more than this Ferrari? Nothing. Because it's a Ferrari. Do you guys know how many days it is until SEMA right now?
46 till we go.
46.
Yeah. My God.
46. It's 46 days, and then we decided to start paying on day 46, right?
I believe in it. But I told you this story though, like crazy stuff. I told you how long ago we were planning this, and I was like, dude, if it comes in, it comes in. Contrary to everyone on the internet, there was a lot of bouncing back and forth with TJ, like trying to find the kit and like
securing the kit.
Yeah.
Getting the kit here.
I had the idea like a really long time ago, but I mean, just like Goonzquad's doing fur parts, I think we got. Well, I don't want to say we got lucky. We got ours before theirs, so we announced ours before theirs, but I mean, just so they'll tell you, and they're like a Ferrari distributor of used parts. Like, they've been working on it for probably just as long as we have. Like,
it just
to get it,
damn,
you have to like
there's a lot of behind it,
and then you need to like wait until it comes around, and you have to try to get us. Yeah, we had the idea.
There's a lot of hands involved.
Yeah, we got
hands involved.
Just like this guy has to know that guy, and that guy has to be okay with it, and then that guy has to know how much he wants to sell it for, and then they want to, you know what I mean? Like it's just. So yeah, I told you, and I was like, hey, I'm pretty sure this is happening. Do you want to be a part of it? And I was like, yeah, like 4 months ago.
And now we're here.
And now we're here.
Here it is.
And in 46 days, this thing has to. Are you guys bagging this thing?
So
that's a question when we get the wheel.
Well, I don't know if I told you yet. So the other owner, Rob, who has a black one, who's in LA, I finally got a hold of him, and he was like, I'm on the same setup as you.
Oh.
So he's on coilovers, slammed, and he's like, you can do it, but you just have to be aware you're driving a very low car. And he's like, the lift kit gets you over most of your stuff. He's like, I'm not on bags. He was like, the other car that is currently on the road is on cups. So we're gonna keep it static, and if I end up hating it,
if he hits something,
if I hit something and breaks it, like we got our like partners that are ready to get us back as soon as possible. But we'll see. We'll see.
My goodness.
But on SEMA, it will be static.
Static.
I think, unless it changes in 46 days, which it might.
46 days. And 46 days.
So if you guys take 14 to 21 days, that puts us around like 40 days. No, sorry. Wow. 20 days left. Oh shit, saying that loud is always scary. And within that 20-day mark that we get it back, we need to have. We'll probably come here with our wheels we put on, but we still need to finish everything entirely and do our wing and make the wing plates and get our fit.
Get it shipped.
And there's a lot to do.
Those are days that we don't have.
So the sooner you get your side done,
the sooner I get my side done.
You get your side done.
We can finish.
But we're supposed to have this here Monday.
I mean,
it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
There was complications. There were some things. Battery died. I can't,
And then on top of that, I briefly did a little hint in my video. We have another project coming your way too. Ooh. That's just to stir the pot.
And that's not even. I mean, we're not even there yet. We're not even there yet, right?
You thought this was on the time crunch.
Like this is easy.
This is easy, right?
Ask you to do next.
Yeah,
so
we're sorry. But you gotta do it.
It's the SEMA excitement. It's something that like everyone plans to have it wait up before SEMA, but never ends up being that way. And it's always really exciting.
SEMA 19 is gonna be lit.
Dude,
like
it's huge.
It's gonna be real lit, man. And this is just project one.
Of 4.
Of 4.
Well, 4 cars that are going.
Actually, I didn't tell you about the third one. I need to do something for my RX-7.
RX-7 is going to SEMA.
It is going to SEMA, but I haven't told you. You guys will be first to hear. I have a part for the car that is my like.
Oh my god! I know about this. Wow, how are you gonna make them do?
Totally forgot.
How are you gonna make? You guys are done.
It's easy.
It's all ogre.
But
That's all I can
so
say.
three birdie.
SOS.
Yeah, I gotta tell you that off camera.
Okay.
Car's off the car, right?
Yes.
Now it's time to prime the rest of the pieces and then shoot some color.
Some color?
Hopefully you guys don't find any hidden little secrets when you start sanding the rest of the car, just like we talked about in the passenger side quarter panel.
The color match is good.
The color's good. Everything's ready to go. Now it's in your hands now.
Yeah.
So spray it, get it back, and finish the next pieces of the puzzle with the 30 days we have left.
Okay.
It's literally just about 30 days. Like today is like 30 days out.
Yeah.
So I say it with confidence.
Yeah, I think we're.
I say it with confidence.
I think we're moving pretty fast.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. So thank you so much. You guys have been doing killer. I'm super hyped. I have confidence that you guys can deliver in under what you said.
I believe so too.
I like that word. Deliver.
Alright guys, we got the Ferrari here in the final prep. Hoping to get this thing in the booth tomorrow. So go ahead and like and subscribe and share your comments, and we'll see you on the next one.